Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Litecoin is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, guys. So I am still using, the bigger swing. If you're new to the channel, from the high of December 19 of 2017 to what? March 13th low. That's how I'm coming up with this bigger fibs. And then I am using some fib extensions. Well, not quite extensions, it's just some fibs from the high of around June 25th of 2019 to March 13th low. That's how I'm coming up with this little fibs right here. So if you listen to my last videos, guys, you guys did make some shackles. I did mention that we were gonna have a pullback to 71. We were gonna rally. We did. We mentioned we were gonna have a pullback to 102. We were gonna have rally, and bada bing, bada boom. Now we're what, at 160 right now as it sits. So we definitely met objective 2. Let's just look at the weekly chart, guys, because I think the weekly will be a better one to look at. So we definitely hit objective 2, which was 153. Now, where is all this going is the next question, so let's just check it out. So, by the way, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you're going to help out the channel reach 7 billion people. I mean, the two guys that trained me always said, hey, make sure you train somebody. Here I am with a YouTube channel trying to help everyone in the world how to make shackles in the crypto market. So don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. And if you get anything useful out of the channel, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make shackles like you're making shackles. So that being said, let's just get back to this. So currently, this last 3 weeks we've been pretty bullish. We basically went from 77 to 160, and now if we look at the weekly chart, the week just started, so it's a long way to go before we close, but we are sitting. This is a spinning top, currently what it's forming. So our next objective as it sits is 195, as long as we hold above 153. If we pierce the 153 level, 153, 150 level, we're more likely gonna go back to the 132 and then the 120. Now, there's something very interesting. This is a pattern that is forming right now, which is always good, and we are holding above the neckline, which is great, which is the 153. So this could be very bullish. By the way, guys, you guys asked and we deliver. We created Easy Crypto Pro. Go and check it out. I'll put it down in the description below. If you need more help aside from the YouTube channel, we got you covered. We have the private chat. We created a light version, which is just technical analysis, and we created a pro version, which is not only the technical analysis, but we're going to post the setups as they happen in future setups. So go and check it out, Easy Crypto Pro. Go and check out my personal Instagram, forexcapital.ca, and go and check out Easy Crypto Pro's Instagram, which is Easy Crypto Pro. So that being said, guys, we have created a double bottom, and it looks really good. Now your neckline sits at about 147, 150, which is fine. So let's just draw some lines here. I'm going to say the neckline is this fib, the 38% retracement of the bigger swing. So I hate when my charts get all cluttery. If we measure from the neckline to the bottom, that puts us at about 387 or so. So as it currently sits, Litecoin is very bullish with a target of 287. Sorry, more likely I'm just gonna overshoot to 300, so just keep that in mind. But that all depends whether we close and we continue to hold at 153. If we go below, then that's a different story, guys. That means that the level will more likely will be invalid, and I'm sure eventually it'll hit the $300 mark, but it might be invalidated for the time being. And if, like I said, if we break below, or kind of line in the sand is 120. If we go below 120, it's 102, depending on where we close. Now, like I said, this is a spinning top as it currently sits. That just means some indecision. But if we continue to hold here, I mean, we're golden. RSI is currently sitting at what, 85. I mean, we are definitely oversold, but like I said, just because it's oversold doesn't mean that we won't continue to go up. I think that support right now, 153, is pretty strong. I mean, it would take a lot for this to just go substantially lower. I think 153 is pretty strong, and you know, your next objective is 195, and ultimately is 287, probably 300. So just keep that in mind, guys. If you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button and go and check out Easy Crypto Pro, guys. Thanks again.